Yo guys, yo! What up, what up? Today we're playing Subway Surface. So hope you enjoy, like and subscribe. Let's play. Okay, we're starting off getting chased. Oh shoot, I should have got up. Okay. But it's fine. Need to get a lot of coins as we can. Can I hop in? Wait. Okay, I can. Boom. Take the star. Bulldozer and up. Yep, check that baby. Alright, baby. Alright. Remember, our goal is to get much coins as we can. So far, this is easy. But later on, it's gonna get a little bit hard. So I need to prepare. Oh, hey, it's not glitching. You saw that, right? Ooh. Hey. Oh, man. Boom. Do not get hit. Do not get hit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Almost got hit. Oh. There was another one over there. I thought I wouldn't take it, but oh my god. Bro. Every close call. Every close call. Okay, magnet is a pretty useful weapon. With this, we can drag all the coins to us, okay? No matter where. Oh man, I'm about to run out. This is a bad timing. Oh man. Okay. Come on. Okay, jump. Can I jump? Oh no, that was a bad idea. But I can jump. Oh my god. You too good. Oh my god. This. Ooh. 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 Oh my god. I told you guys, this is gonna get harder later on. I got this. Oh this. I'm not gonna miss. Watch this. And God. Oh my God. Now this is a weird deal. Okay guys, if you like that video, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting 2 videos per week, so like and subscribe, turn on that notification. I will see you next time. Thunder out.